Okay, so on this one right here, I guess I should not have done it with the regular. And again, the reason why it's not a regular is because are these angles right here congruent? No. But what do I know about these two angles? Does anybody remember the properties of rhombus? Well, opposite angles are congruent, but I'm more interested in these corner angles right here. This corner angle and this one over here. Oops, my bad. Zoom back in here. Well, if you forget, remember, I want to zoom in there. If you forget, remember that these two lines are parallel, as well as these two lines over here. Actually, these two. So these are parallel, and these are also parallel. I'm going to be interested in these two parallel lines cut by this transversal right here. So if I move this angle right here, it corresponds over here. What do you notice about these two angles right here? This one and this one. Make a straight line which is 180. And so those two are going to be supplementary right there. And now if I either use the property of vertical angles, then this angle is going to be right here. Or I can also move this angle over here and move it down the transversal to this one. It'll correspond with this one over here. That one's the same, and then this one over here. So even though I don't know the exact measurement of that angle, are there going to be any overlaps on these if I try to draw, let's say, a quadrilateral this way or rhombus this way? And that's not a good sketch, but if I draw it this way, and then if I draw it this way, let me try to fix this a little bit. Is this going to tessellate the plane? Yes, because if you notice how on this right here, we prove that these two are going to be 180, and these two are also going to be 180. So even though I don't know the measurements, I can prove that there is going to be 360 degrees about that little corner. So this one does tessellate the plane. But again, I wanted to just emphasize, I should not have put that as a regular polygon because those two angles are not all the angles are congruent. In a regular polygon, all angles are congruent and all sides. Okay. So this example on the hexagon, you can do like we did the previous two examples, but this one required a little bit of those properties of the rectangles, or not rectangle, I'm sorry, the rhombus. So try the hexagon, and then we will look at the classwork, which is going to be the rotations. So as soon as you are done with that example, then go ahead and go through the classwork. It's 8 questions. We will go over these at about 9. I should give you plenty of time. That's 20 minutes, 8 problems, okay, more or less about 3 minutes per problem. But some of them might take you less than